In today's video, we're going to be seeing how we can check our screen time in macOS so we know how much time we're spending on our device and what we're spending it on. So, as always, Apple logo in the top left down to System Preferences, and from here we can select Screen Time. You'll get a little warning just letting you know what screen time is, and then you can continue here, and it will show you, if you've got it turned on, what you've been playing on your Mac. So, as you can see from here, you would be able to see your app usage on which app, which notifications are taking up your app, and which pickups are here too. You can also access your downtime, set your app's limits, see what's always allowed from certain applications, and also check your content and privacy settings for each app. I don't have this turned on at the moment, but if your device is for a child or maybe someone younger, then you're going to want to put these settings on just to make sure they're staying safe on their device. And there we are. I hope this has helped. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.